trees, sing and dance forever happily. She always flies so high, forever in the sky. She smiles bright, flying through the sky. When the summer came, she flew to the sun, chasing the morning light. It was so fun. It was warm and she still singing down. A smile on her beak and she would press. A bird would fly so free through the morning by the sea. She sing and dance forever happily. She always flies so high, forever in the sky. She smiles bright, flying through the sky. Then came the fall, when leaves left blue, orange and red, the sky so blue. She soared through the trees that waved goodbye. A cold gust of wind blew in the sky. The bird would fly so free, playing in golden leaves, sing and dance forever happily. She always flies so high, forever in the sky. She smiled bright, flying through the sky. The winter came, snowflakes were falling. The little bird, she kept on calling. She was so fly through a frosty sky. The bird would fly through the silent night. The bird would fly so free through cold and stony trees. He sing and dance forever happily. She always flies so high, forever in the sky. She smiled bright, flying through the sky. Now the bird is flying back again. Through all the seasons she'll remain. Through the rainy spring and summer's heat, she'll soar through the world, joy in her feet. The bird would fly so free through changing skies and trees. She'd sing and dance forever happily. She always flies so high, forever in the